Assalamu alaikum class 3. I hope you all are fine today. Class, today we are going to start the chapter number 6 calendar. Okay? Social studies and chapter number 6 calendar. And do you know what is calendar? Class, just as a clock shows the time of the day, a calendar shows the day, week and month of a year. Okay? You will be seeing in your home calendar, right? So what is calendar? A calendar shows the day, week and month of the year. And now there are two types of calendar, right? There are two kinds of calendar used in Pakistan. Number one is Gregorian calendar and number two is Islamic calendar, right? Now tell me, how many kinds of calendar used in Pakistan? We have two kinds of calendar. Number one is Gregorian calendar and number two is Islamic calendar. Now, number one is Gregorian calendar. And what is Gregorian calendar? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. This is calendar and this is Gregorian calendar, right? So I will tell you about the Gregorian calendar. Gregorian calendar is also known as Western calendar. ठीक है, इसको Western calendar भी कहते हैं. It was named after the man who first introduced it is February 1582. ठीक है, 1582 में इसको introduce करवाया गया. Pope Gregory XII. Gregorian calendar is based on the revolution of the earth around the sun a year. ठीक है, आपने रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ द अर्थ के बारे में पढ़ा है लास्ट चैप्टर में. ठीक है, फर्स्ट चैप्टर में हमने पढ़ा था इसको. अ रेगुलर ग्रेगोरियन ईयर हैज़ 365 days and in a leap year February has 29 days making the year 366 days. A leap year comes after every 4 years. A Gregorian years is divided into 12 months as follow. ठीक है, look at here. The calendar, a Gregorian year is divided into 12 months, right? Name them: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December, right? And we have January 31 days, okay, and February 28 and 29 days, March 31 days, March 31 days and April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days and December 31 days. ओके, इसको याद करने का एक इजी जो है वो मेथड ये है कि आप इसको पोएम के अंदाज में भी मेमोराइज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, एनीवन कैन रिमेंबर द नंबर ऑफ डेज इन ईच month by memorizing these verses. Look at here. 30 days has September, April, June and November. ठीक है, 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February. It is the one which only has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. ठीक है, आप इस पोएम के ज़रिए डेज़ को याद रख सकते हैं. Say with me again. 30 days has September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February. It's the one which only has 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Okay, look at here the picture. This is Islamic calendar. Okay, we have two kinds of calendar, Gregorian calendar and Islamic calendar. This is Islamic calendar. And you know what is Islamic calendar? Islamic calendar is a lunar calendar. It is based on the movement of the moon. ठीक है, ये moon की movement के साथ होता है around the earth. It takes 1 month to complete each orbit. It consists of 12 lunar month in a year of 354 or 355 days. Therefore Islamic calendar is shorter than Gregorian calendar. ठीक है, ये Gregorian calendar से इसके days थोड़े कम होते हैं. Every Islamic month begins with the अपेयरेंस ऑफ न्यू मून. ठीक है, हम इसको न्यू मून के साथ स्टार्ट करते हैं. जब हम नया चांद देखते हैं तो हम अपना इस्लामिक मंथ स्टार्ट करते हैं. ईच इस्लामिक मंथ हैज़ ईदर 29 और 30 डेज. इट इज़ यूज टू डेट इवेंट्स इन मोस्ट ऑफ द मुस्लिम कंट्रीज टू सेलिब्रेट इस्लामिक हॉलीडेज एंड फेस्टिवल. ठीक है, हम इस्लामिक मंथ के ज़रिए, इस्लामिक डेट के ज़रिए अपने फेस्टिवल जो है वो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. द फर्स्ट इस्लामिक ईयर वॉज द ईयर ड्यूरिंग विच द इमिग्रेशन ऑफ द प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम फ्रॉम मक्का टू मदीना नोज एज द हिजरा अकर्ड. ठीक है, अच्छा, लुक एट हियर द नेम ऑफ मंथ: मुहर्रम, सफ़र, रबीउल अव्वल, रबीउल सानी, जमादियुल अव्वल, जमादियुल सानी, रजब, शाबान, रमज़ान, शव्वाल, ज़िलक़द और ज़िलहज. ओके, you have to memorize the name of Islamic month. Look at here: Muharram, Safar, Rabiul Awwal, Rabiul Sani, Jamadiul Awwal, Jamadiul Ukhra means Jamadiul Sani, Rajab, Shaban, Ramzan, Shawwal, Zulqada, Zulhijjah. ठीक है, so you have to memorize the name of Islamic month. Okay, so I will tell you about the AD. You know what is AD means? AD comes from Latin paras anno domino, meaning in the year of our Lord, and BC comes from before Christ. ठीक है, AD इज़ आफ्टर जीसस क्रिस्ट वॉज बॉर्न. ठीक है, AD जब हम यूज़ करते हैं ईयर के साथ AD, तो दैट मीन्स वो हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम की विलादत के बाद से हम वो वाले साल जो है स्टार्ट करते हैं. AD इज़ आफ्टर जीसस क्रिस्ट वॉज बॉर्न एंड BC इज़ बिफोर जीसस क्रिस्ट वॉज बॉर्न. BC जो है वो हम हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम की विलादत के बाद से. ठीक है, पहले से पहले उनकी विलादत से पहले जो यूज़ होता है वो BC और उनकी विलादत के बाद जो यूज़ होता है वो AD. ठीक है, सो BCE and CE are the recent term that means the same as AD and BC. CE means common era and is the name as AD, and BCE means before common era and it is the same as BC. So this is today's lecture. So inshallah we will continue with the next lecture. So class, Allah Hafiz, take care.